yelling, screaming, and we couldn't have no food. What is your name? Oh, I'm Christina White. Thank you. Hello, this is LPS News. What is your name? I am Abby Miller. Okay. What was it like when you got that big power outage in LPS Square? It was horrible. I couldn't text my boyfriend. I need my boyfriend in my life. Give me the mic. Thank you. No, come back with the mic. Come back with the mic. What is your name and how was it like when you got the big power outage? I'm Lily Crispati, and it was really awful. I could not get any food, and I couldn't buy anything because all the stores were down. So that's pretty much it, but I hope everyone out there who got a lot of damage, I hope you are safe and okay. Thank you. So that was all the interviews we took. We hope you enjoyed LPS News, and we'll see you next week.